Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the specs of the Shokz OpenFit and AirPods Pro. So let's start. Now, when we are going to look here on the first thing, battery life, you can have up to 7 hours for the earbuds. And with the AirPods Pro, you can have up to 6 hours and so on, and 30 hours with the case. So in this regards, the AirPods Pro is better. Now, when we are going to look here on the driver technology, you can have bone conduction for Shokz OpenFit, but with AirPods Pro you can have custom built drivers with H2 chips, which is advanced sound tech. Now the quick charge is same for both, so this is like same. Bluetooth version is better for AirPods Pro. You can have Bluetooth 5.3. Now this is a big thing, is that with the AirPods Pro you have actually active noise cancellation. So this is another big like thumbs up for the AirPods Pro. Now when you're going to go look even further, you're gonna have the water resistance, and this is better for Shokz OpenFit, and both got the voice assistant integration. And then when we're gonna look here also on some features, you can see that you can have adaptive audio, spatial audio, transparency mode, and the AirPods Pro get more advanced features. So when we are going to look here just based on the specs, you can see the AirPods Pro is just better, but again, this really depends. Like if you're a huge fan of Shokz, and if you don't have iPhone and you just want to like really, you just have some kind of connection with the OpenFit, and you just want to try it out, then try it out. It's like, but of course, if you're a fan of, if you have iPhone and if you feel the connection with Apple, just use your own intuition, your own guidance. And now if you're looking for the noise cancellation, just go with the AirPods Pro. But if you don't mind that you don't have noise cancellation, you're gonna have better water resistance, then you can go with the Shokz OpenFit. But of course, this is not the test of the sound on the mic. I didn't provide it for you. This is just specs. So have a great day and goodbye.